Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will look at blockchain and we will also take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum and smart contracts as well. So first question would be, what is blockchain? Well, blockchain is basically a type of shared database that is different from the normal database because blockchains, it store data in blocks that are linked together via something called cryptography. So if you take a look at this graph, this is one block and this is another block and they are linked together, right? And before we deep dive into the blockchain, so first let's just take a look at the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, it is the first protocol or the applications that use blockchain technology. And who created Bitcoin? Well, as the name shown here, it's Satoshi Nakamoto. And when I scroll down, we can also see the transaction here as well, right? They are linked together like I mentioned earlier. So Bitcoin white paper, this is the Bitcoin white paper. It is published in 2018 that show how the peer-to-peer, right? So peer-to-peer transactions are made in decentralized network, and this network is powered by, again, it's the cryptography, right? And Bitcoin is a digital currency that can be used to make transactions between two people. So without the help of the middleman like the company or the bank in the middle, but it only happens between two parties or two users. And in 2013, right? So the Ethereum white paper, it was published by Vitalik Buterin, and it showed that this new protocol using the same blockchain infrastructure but more features. And then the Ethereum project was born in 2015. And people start using the Ethereum to make decentralized applications and smart contracts. So when we talk about smart contracts, it's not something new. It wasn't launched in 2015, but it was proposed by Nick Szabo in 1994. So smart contract, it is a self-executing instructions without a third party such as a company or a bank. You can think of it as a normal contract, but instead of writing it down on the paper, it is written in code. And smart contract is automatically executed by the blockchain network. The apps or decentralized applications, it is just a combination of multiple contracts. Ethereum is the most popular and most used smart contract blockchain or protocol. So now let's take a look at the benefits of blockchain. So first one is decentralized. There's no middleman or no one controls the network at all. So when we take a look at the crypto exchange, they can basically control if the user can buy cryptocurrency or coin or not, right? And it is not decentralized at all, as it is controlled by a third party. So decentralized, it can happen between two parties or users. So next is the transparent. So all rules can be seen by everyone. That means that there is no hidden information. Next is the speed. So decentralized network, it's very fast, from a few seconds to 10 minutes. However, if you are the one who buy or sell stocks, then it can take from 3 days to 5 days to complete the process. Next is immutable. It cannot be changed. It's super secure for our data and transactions. So if your computer goes down, you could lose your data. Blockchain, however, if multiple nodes goes down, it doesn't affect the data at all as long as one node is up and running. And now we have looked at the benefits of the blockchain. So what does it lead to? So blockchain, it leads to freedom and trustless. So freedom, meaning that no one is controlling us and the same rules apply to everyone, and we can also call it as fairness. And trustless. So trustless, So what does this mean? This means that we no need to trust at all. We just know that 100 plus 100 equal to 200. However, just for an example here, we look at the insurance company. So even though we have signed the contract with them, they are not willing to pay you the money if you have the accidents, and they will find the loophole and pay you as less as they can. But when we talk about blockchain, it removes the massive conflicts of interest. It means that they are the same rule for everyone. No one can take advantage over the others. So that is the benefits of blockchain. Now we have already looked into the blockchain. We also look at the history of the Bitcoin, which is the first protocol or the application that used the blockchain technology. And it was created by Satoshi Nakamoto. And we also look at the Ethereum as well. So Ethereum project was born in 2015. And we also look at the smart contract. So it is a self-executing instruction without the help of third parties. And we also look at the benefits of blockchain. So it's decentralized, it's transparent, speed, immutable, and it leads to freedom and trustless. And I hope you have a better understanding of what is blockchain and why is it created. And that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video.